The best workstations don't demand your attention. They let you focus on your work. Every workspace is different. Dimension 4 is designed to adapt. With infinitely positionable accessories, every component can be placed exactly where it's needed. When every tool, every shelf, and every accessory is positioned around the operator, comfort improves, efficiency improves, productivity follows. Integrated power inside the uprights keeps equipment connected while reducing cable clutter, creating a cleaner, more organized workspace. Built on a modular platform, Dimension 4 is ready to grow with your operation, making future expansion and reconfiguration simple as your needs evolve. Some of the best engineering is the engineering you'll never see. From pre-drilled mounting points and integrated grounding to quality documentation that simplifies future support, every detail is designed with the customer in mind. Made in America and engineered for electronics assembly, laboratory environments, and technical workspaces where precision matters every day. The best workstations don't ask people to adapt. They adapt to the people using them. Treston Dimension 4, designed to adapt.